Hey, what's up, AJT Jungle? Before we get into our the first 90 days of trading presentation for today, um, we'll go ahead and do a quick recap since we got a couple minutes, and then we'll just segue into it. So, we'll look at Meta. Now, Meta was the first trade. Unfortunately, I was late getting in, and it was because my DOS platform shut down. It was said logged off by administrator. So I had to get that figured out. It took a couple minutes and got it figured out. As soon as I got in, Meta was breaking. So it was within the tolerance of me being able to manage my risk, which is, I can manage more risk than, a new trader. And what I'm trying to get you guys to understand is that you can't stay in that elementary school mindset. It's a poverty mindset, and it prevents you from being able to really make money. So you're gonna have to be able to deal with some risk, and it's gonna be a lot different than what you're taught in the beginning. It's the only way you can make money, and the only way you can have days like we've been having, especially like yesterday. So that's one of the goals for this year, is to kind of get you guys on the right risk management mindset. But getting back to the trade, we got in. This is pretty much a 5-minute opening range breakout, but kind of a late entry. Got a couple of targets, did not get to my last target here, and we came back down. Now, I accidentally added when I was trying to take it off. So I messed up, and I only had like 34 shares or something left, and I messed around and doubled the position. Or what I did was I clicked the 100 share button and I only had 34, so it messed it up. But I got right out of that, and turned out to be a pretty decent trade. That's our best trade of the day. We did get in NVDA, but that was just a base hit. You can see we bought it. I bought it on a high day break. This is the opening range high here. So when I saw this, it was breaking out. It was too late. So I waited for the pullback. And then once we made the new 52-week high, I got it. Just got to the first target before, it fell on its face. And you can see it never did get back anywhere. So after 10 o'clock, the market was just dead. And now they're all trading back, retreating back inside its of its channel. So we don't really have anything going on here. And then the last one was ENPH. And what we did, 120 was our final target from yesterday. And that's where we ended up. So let me pull this. This is our ENPH earnings trade. So, here, I guess it was the volatility and everything that kind of messed these orders up. But I got in and got profit here, and I held through the pullback because I felt we were we were going to make it. I really felt we were going to make it. So worst case scenario, I would have just ended this trade break even. I would have just given back all the money that I made on that move. But as we came back, I went ahead and added back and started taking profit. You know, we got a pullback here and then took some more profit off the table up here. I probably should have added back for overnight, but I didn't get a chance to. And then this morning, that's when we took that. So that was our day so far. And we'll have to wait and see if we have any earnings, if anything else picks up. And then we can go from there. All right, so coming up, we have our first 90 days of trading. This is chapter 2. And we're going to be talking about today the process. Remember, we did realistic expectations last week. We're going to be talking about the process today and how we talk about you know, having to trust the process. You know, I use it often, and I always get asked what I mean by that. And if you're one of the traders that I mentor, you know, hopefully you know exactly what I mean by that. If not, you know, think about everything that you do in life. There's a process to it. You know, to driving a car, you know, to cooking, there's a process. And, you know, just think about it. And then the next part of this is going to be process mapping, where we help you establish, or I help you establish your process. Now today we're going to talk about how important process is and where it fits into what we do, because it's the only thing that we have complete control over. And if we give up control to our process, then we're in bad shape. So that's where we're going with it today. So I hope you guys are ready. Are you ready? I don't know. I don't know. All right, so time to bring the heat.